Brent Jonathan Mendoza, Mr. Culture Philippines.
Hi guys! Today we are now here at NAIA Terminal 3. We'll be sending our Philippine representative for Mr. Culture International 2025 na gaganapin sa Indonesia. I'm here with Brent Mendoza. Hi Brent!
Hello po, good morning to everyone.
Good morning. So how was your travel so far?
It's good naman po. Actually, nung isang araw pa po ako nandito sa Manila.
Uh-huh.
Kasi hinatid din po namin yung isa kong kasama, si Marcus Parcon po.
And this is it. You are competing now in Indonesia, of course. And syempre, first time mo mag-compete sa international. So, how do you feel right now?
Mixed emotions po eh. Nervous, excited. Yan po. Kasi first time ko naman po din lumabas po ng bansa din.
And as far as I know, I've seen all your update on your social media platforms. So you had a vigorous preparation for this competition. So aside from going to the gym, what else have you been preparing for?
Pinaka-big factor po talaga is yung communication skill and Q&A po. And syempre po, sineset ko po yung mind ko din para po, alam niyo po yan, hindi po ako ma-pressure or matakot po na kung ano po yung kaya kong ipakita dun sa Indonesia.
So have you studied their culture also?
Yes po. Like their few words po, language, in their language.
Any examples?
Ako cinta, kalian semua. It means po, I love you all.
Wow! So are you traveling alone?
No naman po. Hinatid naman po ako dito ng parents ko.
How about in Indonesia? Sino kasama mo?
Only the team lang po. The Miss Teen, Miss Culture, and Direct po.
Okay. And what are you looking forward for this competition?
I'm looking forward to enjoy it po. And at the same time, I want to bring home the crown again.
And syempre, ang inaabangan ng lahat is of course, meron din tong segment na I think, if I'm not mistaken, tourism video. So, have you
Profile
prepared for
video.
this? Yes.
Profile video.
All set na ba yung ano mo?
Yes naman po.
Wow, bongga. And gaano mo to katagal pinaghandaan yung tourism video?
Actually po, few days po before I post it po. Kasi like, nakulangan po ako sa time. Pero hindi naman po naging hadlang yun para makapag-deliver po ako ng maayos at presentableng video po.
So, all set na lahat
Yes.
pagdating sa mga wardrobe mo and then
Yes
especially sa national costume mo na
costume.
inaabangan ng ating mga pageant fans. So, could you please tell us a hint on your national costume?
The theme of my national costume po is Apo Wangod, the indigenous people in Baguio. And the designer po is Sir Simeon Cayetano.
Wow, bonggang-bongga ang ating
Shoutout po.
Simeon.
Hello po.
And how about, who are you wearing today?
Nenita Jones, ang napakagandang Nenita Jones ng Tanawan, Batangas.
Talagang marami din palang designer sa Tanawan, Batangas.
Opo.
Diba? And, ayun, for you, what is Mr. Culture International?
I think for me, Mr. Culture International is not just about how to show ourselves. It's about the Filipino culture or the other country's culture to understand it and become more presentable on how to present our culture here in Philippines.
And first time mo mag-compete sa international, sino yung una mong gustong kausapin na bansa?
I think si Vietnam kasi siya din po yung una nag-approach sa akin through DM.
Ano sa tingin mo yung advantage mo sa kanila?
Lahat naman po kami is nag-prepare for this but I think I'm more prepared to them kasi pinangarap ko na rin po ito simula nung pagpasok ko ng pageantry. So, simula pagpasok po ay dito ko na po isinet yung mind ko na mag-compete internationally.
Ano yung gusto mong i-share sa mga brothers mo in terms of culture ng Philippines?
The ugaling barako. Yan. Batanggenyo ang barako. Barako is not just about being brave. Tungkol din po ito sa pagiging matatag ng kalooban, sa matinong pag-iisip at pagbibigay ng respeto sa kapwa po.
And meron ka bang gustong mensaheng iparating sa mga first-timer na kagaya mo na magko-compete sa international pageant?
Ang advice ko lang po ay keep showing up, especially to the days that you feel not worth it anymore.
Anong naging reaction ng parents mo na you will be competing sa international?
Actually, nagulat po sila kasi aware naman po sila na magko-compete po ako international, pero yung date po at saka kung anong pageant is nagulat po sila. So, I think they are proud of me naman po. At saka, nandito rin po yung mother ko nung isang araw. So, yun po, iyak-iyak po siya kasi first time ko pong mawawalay sa kanila nang ako lang po yung mag-isang aalis.
Kailan yung finals night?
June 21.
June 21. Ano to, sabay-sabay kasi there are, I think, many categories, no?
Apo. Mauna po yung Mr. and Miss Teen Culture,
Teen.
then kami po yung sunod. So, baka around 7 or 8 p.m. po.
So in one day to gaganapin.
Apo.
Nice. And for your preliminary competition, ano yung pinaghandaan mo dito?
On how to show my national costume po. Kasi first time ko rin po mag national costume. So pinag-aralan ko po talaga kung paano ko po i-present yung buong wardrobe po. Then syempre po my body po ganyan.
Talking to your body physique, so gaano ka prepared to show to the other competitors? or
101%
candidates?
po.
101%. And ayun, Brent, you can promote your social media platforms. And of course, kung meron mga online voting ang Mr. Culture International.
Please support my journey here in Mr. Culture International in Medan. So you can follow my journey in my social media, Brent Jonathan Mendoza, Brent Mendoza, Facebook, IG Brent Mendoza again. Yeah. Then you can catch up with my postings about the online voting.
Ayan. And of course, with the persons behind your journey dito sa Mr. Culture International.
I wanna thank Direct John Roy po and my wardrobe provider, Tita Ninita Jones, Sir Simeon Cayetano, to my parents po, and to the whole MIPH org po.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Brent, and best of luck. Bring home the crown, Brent.
Again.
And I know you can do it.
Thank you so much. Love you.